नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि 31 जनवरी से 6 February के लिए है. That means Aquarians are going to celebrate their birthday. They have been celebrating now. I hope कि आपके birthdays अच्छे जा रहे हो Aquarians. और हमेशा की तरह से मेरे रीडिंग होती है सन, मून और राइजिंग के ऊपर. सो आई होप अब तक आपने अपना मून साइन समझ लिया होगा, बिकॉज वो आपकी राशि होती है. और राशि के हिसाब से हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो इंडियन एस्ट्रोलॉजी है, दे रियली वर्क फ्रॉम द राशि पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. बट अगेन यू नीड टू नो कि आपके स्टार्स कौन से फेवरेबल हैं, उसके हिसाब से आपके मून और सन साइन दोनों चेंज होते रहते हैं. और अगर आपको नहीं पता है, यू हैव मी, कम टू मी, आई हेल्प यू आउट. बात करते हैं एरीज यानी कि मेष राशि क्या कहता है अगला हफ्ता आपके लिए, और हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू पैन आउट फॉर यू. रियली लेट्स सी. 1 2 and 3. ऑलराइट, मेष राशि आपके लिए तो आए हैं कप्स के कार्ड और वॉन्ड का कार्ड. तो कप का कार्ड तो आपका कहता है कि आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है. 7 ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कहता है कि देयर टू मेनी ऑप्शंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड यू टू डिसाइड कि आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. यू हैव टू टेक योर डिसीजंस वेरी एनालिटिकली. दिल और दिमाग दोनों को बैलेंस बना के आपको डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. और आप जो एक आपके लिए है नाइट ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड, विच इज़ लाइक यू आर इन अ मूड टू प्रपोज समबडी. सम प्रपोजल इज कमिंग ऑन. अगर आप है आपके लिए कोई प्रपोजल आ रहा है या कोई प्रपोजल आपके पास आने वाला है, या आप दे रहे हैं या ले रहे हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाट द नाइट ऑफ कप्स इज सेइंग. इमोशनल वीक है आपके लिए. एंड द कार्ड ऑफ 6 of wands इज देयर. 6 of wands इज टेलिंग यू दैट सेलिब्रेशन. अगर काम में है तो प्रमोशन है, और अगर आपने कोई एग्ज़ाम दिए हैं तो उसमें आपको सफलता मिलेगी. और अगर आप शादी करना चाह रहे हैं तो ये भी हो सकता है, एंगेजमेंट, शादी, एनी काइंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन दैट यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. मेष राशि इज देयर फॉर यू दिस वीक. सो एंजॉय. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इमोशनल वीक. सो हैव फन एंड एंजॉय इट. Now we have the angels card. So let's see what the angels have to say for you, मेष राशि. और समझते हैं कि आपके लिए क्या है संदेश. Improving health. It's a beautiful card. So that means the improving health is mental, physical, emotional and financial health is improving for you. That's the message from the angels for you, Mesh Rashi Aries. So have fun. Taurus आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. वृषभ राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. Tarot cards आपके लिए आया है 3 of Wands. That means you have reached a destination. आपके काम में, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में या जॉब में, अगर आप जहाँ पे आगे करना चाह रहे थे वहाँ आप हैं. It's balancing, but you're also looking for some kind of a collaboration in your job or in your business, something like that. Or maybe students are looking for some kind of collaboration as far as your studies, further studies are concerned, that now the college is opening up and schools opening up. And दूसरा कार्ड आता है Queen of Swords का कार्ड. The females, you're gonna be very practical and you are gonna be taking the decisions how to improve your monetary life, because finance के साथ आपका कुछ लेन देन चल रहा है जो आप चाहते हैं कि सही हो जाए. And you're also gonna be kind of a very practical, more unemotional type of stuff that you females which are going to be. But again, तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है the Queen of Cups. So the Queen of Cups is also saying that the females again are gonna be they are like emotional and practical, both what the females are basically like to do. And also I always say the Queen of Cups, for me, I always take it as a mother's card. So please take care of your mom and take care of her health. Gift her something, gift her some nice vacation or maybe some pilgrimage, whatever you feel like. Just gift her something, mom. That's what the Queen of Cups is suggesting, because your mom is definitely taking care of you. And also the mother figure in the Queen of Swords is saying that she is the one who is handling the 2 pillars of your life. So please take care of them. Females, you're gonna rock this week. Rishabh Rashi, that's what the cards are saying for you. And now see what the angels card have to say for you, Rishabh Rashi. Abundance. How beautiful this card is. कहते हैं यत्र नारी पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं देवताओं का वास होता है. एंड दिस इज अबंडेंस. एंड 2 फीमेल कार्ड्स Queen cards or Queen of Wands and Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups has come. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and do the needful and it's all abundance for you. वृषभ राशि, आपके लिए बहुत सारी खुशियाँ हैं, हेल्थ, वेल्थ, प्रोस्पेरिटी, सब कुछ है अगर आप सही डिसीजन लेंगे। और जैसे मैंने कहा कि यत्र नारी पूजन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता। जेमिनाइज क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए इस हफ्ते के लिए? Voila, you got the card of Sun, Gemini. That means you are in a very bright light of the sun, guiding you in your work scenario, in your emotional life. But basically, I see the work thing because that's what I'm getting the indication, the vibe from it. And there is also card of Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords is also saying that something is happening, or maybe somebody is falling sick or something like that. Or maybe in your work scenario something is happening, because I'm getting a lot of work thing in your cards. And the third card is a Page of Pentacles. So I believe in your work scenario there is some new opportunity which is going to be finally justifying whatever you have been doing up till now. So that's what the sun is shining bright on you, and whatever chapter in your life work-wise was not happening is coming to an end, and there's always a new synergy with the Page of Pentacles which is happening. Some monetary gains are possibly coming your way, Geminis. That's what the Mithun Rashi आपके लिए cards कह रहे हैं। पर ये जो तीसरा कार्ड है ना, Ten of Swords, this is like either somebody you have to be careful in your work surrounding. There could be some kind of backstabbing possibly. Let's stay alert about it. But आपका कुछ नुकसान होगा नहीं because आपके दोनों कार्ड बाकी बहुत अच्छे आए हैं. Just stay alert about it. और अगर कोई तबीयत खराब है तो वो भी ठीक हो जाएगी because the cards are good for you otherwise. And now we see what is the angel cards for you, Mithun Rashi. Opportunity, fantastic. When the Ten of Swords has come, which is saying some bad chapter is over in your life, or there is, and the Page of Pentacles had come, which is the opportunity. So there is opportunity for you, Gemini. So just go ahead for it and enjoy yourself. Cancer, what does the cards have in store? Kark Rashi. Voila, the Queen of Wands is there, which is like you are very creative. The females are going to be very, very creative. They have some new idea, but there's something also hidden about it because there's like a little cat. So some hidden thing is there. You have to find what is hidden. The queens, the ladies, you have to be very analytical, and you have to have the new energy that works for you. The second card is the Lovers ka card. So there is some kind of a partnership which is happening in your business, or maybe you are working in synergy with some other employee or whatever is there, and the students might be coming together to work together to look for the greener pastures for their exams that are coming. That's what the Lovers card is saying. And Lovers card is also for the people who are in relationship, for the new synergy, new energy, new spark over there. As it is, this is a kind of Valentine's, I say, the mushy time, so it's coming there for you. But also there's a card, third card, which is the Eight of Cups. So you're walking away from something. So maybe something hidden and you don't know, you're walking away from the relationship that's possibly there. कुल मिला के थोड़ा सा topsy-turvy week है आपके लिए. तो अगर आपका ये जो love का angle है, you need to be very, very careful. That's for the relationship that you are in, Cancer, may not be working for you, and you're thinking there's something not right about it. That's very generic reading. It's not personal reading, but if you take something from it, I'll be happy. So that's what the card is suggesting for you, Cancerians. And also the Angels card, let's see what they have to say for you. Peaceful resolution. So there's definitely some kind of a tiff in your work or relationship, that's definitely there, and you shall find a peaceful resolution in that, because that's what you need to do. And एक card जो fall किया है, it just fallen out. It's up to you. So you need to take the right decision, Cancerians, what you need to do to find a peaceful resolution what you're facing at the moment. That's what I can suggest to you at the moment. Okay, Leo Rashi, क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स? लियो लियो लियो. Alright, Leo, the World का कार्ड आपके लिए आया है. That means something is coming to an end. and everything that you wanted is there for you. What you have asked for from the universe, what you deserve is there for you. And there's a justice card also for anything which is happening in your वर्क सिनेरियो इज जस्टिस इज देयर. अगर कोई कोर्ट केस है तो आपको डेफिनेटली उसमें न्याय मिलेगा, आपको जस्टिस मिलेगा. वर्ल्ड का कार्ड भी आपसे यही कह रहा है कि अगर आप कहीं कोर्ट केस में थे तो आपका वो समय ख़त्म हो रहा है, एंड यू विल बी फाइंडिंग जस्टिस दैट यू बीन सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. एंड थर्ड कार्ड विच हैज़ कम इज द 3 of Swords, which is like possibly your heart is broken about certain things. Now this could also be some ill health, heart related problems, so you can look into that direction also. अगर आपकी कुछ heart problem चल रही है तो please ध्यान रखिए उस चीज़ का. And as far as the relationship is concerned, if I have to say, I believe there is a justice, but you were thinking कि कहीं आपका दिल टूट ना जाए, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि आपका दिल टूटने वाला है. बाकी 2 कार्ड अच्छे हैं. इन जनरल आई कैन से कि ये हार्ट ब्रेक जो है वो आपके दिमाग में है पर एक्चुअल में नहीं है. जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर थिंग्स, एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली अ गुड वीक टू सी द थिंग्स इन द राइट परस्पेक्टिव रादर इन योर इमेजिनेशन. That's I can say for you, Leo Rashi. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you. And it says improving health. So all right, so the 3 of Swords which has come is improving health, and justice has come, gold has come. So अगर आपके दिल में कहीं कुछ issues थे, heart का problem था, तो that will be improving. So just stay put there. Whatever medicines or things you're taking for your ailment, continue doing that. Time for Virgos. What the card have to say for you, Virgos? All right, beautiful cards for you, Virgo. The Empress card here. The females are going to be feeling very very beautiful, amazing inside out as they are in the cloud 9, because they are ruling the world at the time. The Virgo females especially, I would say that. And आपके लिए आया है the 6 of Pentacles, which is there is some the monetary financial transaction which is happening, money coming, money going, both things are happening for you. Or also maybe because the Page of Cups is there, there is a message coming to you from your loved person or your love angle, and maybe some gift purchasing happening. Could be possibility with both of that can happen. So in totality, this is a beautiful week for the females. They are really ruling the world at the moment. And as far as your job is concerned or your studies are concerned, आप अपनी पढ़ाई में जितना डालेंगे उतना ही आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. So do your studies properly, take your exams properly for the result that you're looking forward to. Students, that's goes for you there. And also the message is like you're emotional, definitely. So emotional, थोड़ा सा प्यार के लिए थोड़ा सा कहीं आपका कम है. So you're looking forward to that love to start in your life. but जितना love पे आप invest करेंगे उतना ही love आपको मिलेगा. And now let's see what the angels card have to say for you, Virgos. You are ready. Perfect. What do I say for it? You are ready, so just go for it. Time for Libra. Let's see what the cards have to say. Whoa. Libra. Okay, this is a 9 of Wands. So you are guarding something कि जहाँ पर आप हैं in your studies, in your education, to feel that you have studied and you're holding that ground because you know you have done it right. That's what the card is suggesting. And also there is a card of 10 of Swords. Something is coming to an end for you, Librans. कोई चैप्टर आपकी ज़िंदगी में ख़त्म हो रहा है या आपकी तबीयत भी ख़राब हो सकती है. Please do take care of that also, because both the cards are like 9 of Wands and the 10 of Swords is there, which is like there is some ailment. Somebody may be in your house, family, or somebody, or maybe you, could be anything. So take care of your health, I would say that. And जो भी आप दवा ले रहे हैं वो सही है, but don't be too rigid about it. तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया the Page of Pentacles, which is suggesting some new beginning happening. तो आपकी तबीयत भी ठीक हो सकती है, और आप का जो अगर फाइनेंस का कुछ मैटर है या उसके लिए आपको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आएगा, मेल आएगा, फ़ोन कॉल आएगा, समथिंग इज फॉर द मॉनेटरी थिंग विच इज़ कमिंग योर वे. बट इन टोटलिटी आई वुड से लास्ट वीक आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा था. तो दिस वीक यू आर लिटिल ऑन गार्ड. about whatever the matter in your life is. So आप थोड़ा सोच समझ के कदम बढ़ाएंगे और प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स को वेट करेंगे और फिर आप एक डिसीजंस लेंगे अगर आपका कोई फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का भी इरादा है तो. Now angel message unlikely. Okay, sorry, but this is something which you're planning to do this week is not going to happen. जो आपके टैरो कार्ड से भी आपको सजेस्ट किया था. So आप सोच समझ के प्रॉस एंड कॉन वेट करके फिर डिसीजन लीजिएगा. वृश्चिक राशि स्कॉर्पियोस क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए, देखते हैं. Alright, आपके लिए आया है द सन का कार्ड. वृश्चिक राशि, यू वांट टू बी चाइल्ड लाइक, यू आर लाइक अनअबैश्ड एंड लाइक इनोसेंस भी है आपके साथ में, एंड यू वांट टू सी द वर्ल्ड थ्रू अ किड्स आई रादर देन बीइंग टू mature that you are, and kids are very innocent, and for them the world keeps shining bright because they always see the brighter side. So the card is saying that you would see the brighter side of everything that's happening around you rather than being pessimistic. आपके लिए आया है this 7 of cups का card. You have too many options in front of you, Scorpios, and you need to take a right decision, and we should be guided by, if you see the world innocently rather than being very critical and judging about it, you will always get the right answers. So look for the right answers through the help of the sun card that has come to you, because if you do not do that, you have the 5 of wands card, which is like you have a lot of mental anxiety. You are very like आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारी उलझन है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, बट एंड ऑफ द डे द सन विल शाइन ऑन यू. सो अगर आप अपनी पढ़ाई को लेके चिंतित है, एडमिशन को लेके चिंतित है स्टूडेंट्स, एंड आपको लग नहीं रहा कि कहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा धैर्य रखिए, पेशेंस रखिए और अपने दिमाग को शांति के अगर आप अपने दिमाग को शांत करके फिर डिसीजन लेंगे, यू विल फाइंड the result, the answer you're looking for, Scorpio. That's what the card is saying. चिंता चिता समान होती है, सोच के ज़्यादा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, डिसीजन तो लेने पड़ेंगे. देखते हैं एंजल्स कार्ड आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. Well, in the near future, so whatever you've been thinking for कि इस हफ्ते हो जाएगा, it shall happen, but it will take its own time, so have patience about it, Scorpio. That's what the card is suggesting for you. Sagittarius क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड्स. लेट्स सी. धनु राशि, वाह क्या बात है, सन बार बार आ रहा है. तो आपके लिए आया है द 7 ऑफ कप्स. ये ऑप्शंस वाला कार्ड भी बहुत आया है, बहुत बार आ चुका है स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अभी तक. तो ऑप्शंस आपके पास लगता है बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं. तो ऑप्शन का कार्ड है आपके पास 7 of cups, which is saying you have a lot of options, but you have to choose the right one to take you further. Then the sun ka card is there for you, that you have a bright chance of taking a right decision. But again, you have the card of the 5 of wands. So there is some tussle in taking the decision. I'm surprised the cards are coming like this, but I guess everybody is looking for options, a better option to go forward in 2021 before anything else happens. Everybody has seen 2020 and they're preparing themselves this year, because कहीं ना कहीं मेंटल एंजाइटी की लास्ट ईयर ऐसा हो गया था, मार्च में लॉकडाउन हो गया था, तो देख मेंटल एग्नी जो होती है वो सब है. बट डोंट वरी, इट्स ओनली इन योर माइंड. नथिंग विल हैपन बिकॉज यू विल हैव अ बेटर साइड ऑफ 2021 इन मार्च. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. So keep your anxieties away, please. That's all the only thing I can say at the moment, because everybody seems to be very anxious now. Okay, let's see what the angels have to say for you. And again, it's up to you. See, it's always up to us. हमारे सामने प्लस माइनस दोनों होता है. What we pick up, what we choose in our hands. So अगर हम सही देखेंगे, सही चुनेंगे, तो सही ही सारी चीज़ें होंगी. To look at the positive rather than looking at the negative. That's all I can suggest to you. Capricorn क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड्स. वेल, मकर राशि आपके लिए आया है द 7 of Pentacles. You have worked hard and you're looking for the results to come for it. That's this week is supposed to be for you as for your work. या आपने एग्ज़ाम दिया है स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप उसका एग्ज़ाम के रिजल्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज़ अ कार्ड ऑफ जजमेंट. जजमेंट का कार्ड यही कह रहा है कि यू विल फाइंड द राइट answers to your questions, whichever is there, and the judgment, definitely you understand what it means. So judgment का कार्ड यही कह रहा है. And you got to be a little spiritual, थोड़ा prayer कर सकते हैं आप. And also there is a kind of a harmony in the partnership if you're looking forward to the judgment also, because you will find the right partner for you to work in your work domain. And the King of Cups card, the third card, is the King of Cups, which is saying that there is somebody who's a mentor, a fatherly figure, who will guide you, help you if you're stuck up somewhere in your education line, in your business, or in your job. So you have to look up to that person who will guide you, because the judgment is also about the guidance, which you are stuck up in this Seven of Pentacles. So you have somebody who's going to guide you, and maybe you are going to guide somebody. That's what the card is suggesting this week for you. Okay, praise Makar. And the Angel's card for you is let go. Beautiful. So let go what is not working for you. अपने दिमाग में ज़्यादा बोझा रखने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. To keep the tensions away, pave the way, let go, let God. Aquarians, what the cards have to say for you? Well, looks better this week for you. You have an Ace of Pentacles. So the card is saying that there is some new beginning happening in your work life. I believe last week, I remember you were some ailment, कुछ बीमार थी, तबीयत आपकी तबीयत खराब थी, तो अब हो सकता है वो तबीयत से बाहर निकल के काम की तरफ ध्यान देने की कोशिश करेंगे. So that's what the card of Ace of Pentacles is saying for you. And then also the Page of Wands, which is again a new energy for you. So new energies, obviously आप हर चीज़ को एक नए नज़रिए से देखना चाहते हैं, नए नज़रिए से सोचना चाहते हैं. जिस तरीके से हालात रहे हैं उसमें लोगों को लगता है कि अगर ये मुझे हो गया या हो गया था, तो what new I should do. So you are with a lot of new ideas and a new way of earning money. That's what Aquarians are doing. And as it is, it's your birthday month, which is birthday week going on, so you charge up with the new energy in your life, Aquarians. And there is a King of Pentacles. Definitely this is a person that is very judicious, practical, and he is a person who's also a little stingy when it comes to spending money, but he's also the person who has earned his laurels and the money hard way. So if you are the King of Pentacles, you really know how to get the new money investment in your business and with the new ideas, especially all the business people and educational people, or even the people in the job looking forward to is that's in general message for everybody. So there's definitely new ideas and all, and you do definitely know how to do it. So just invest your money correctly, ideate properly, and that's what the Aquarians you have for you this week. And the Angels card for you, and also listen to your intuition. Wow, that's amazing. So I think it's a perfect week. When it's your birthday week, your intuition is definitely much higher. So listen to your intuition and you'll find the answers for yourself. That's what the card is saying. Pisces, मीन राशि, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए? Okay, Pisces आपके लिए आया King of Wands. Males, you're going to be very much energetic. आप अपने काम में बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे और आप बहुत प्रमोशंस भी आपके हो सकती है, और आप किसी को प्रमोशन दे भी सकते हैं. That's what the King of Wands is saying, that you are very grounded and you know what you have to do the right stuff. And there's a card of Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is like, it's a practical new beginning. Again, the old जो भी problems थी, जो भी negativity थी, वो हट चुकी है आपकी life के अंदर. And that's what the Ace of Swords card is suggesting you for. It's coming that you, all things are open for you, and the God is paving way for you to think on the positive side and start working towards it. And the Nine of Swords is all about your mental anxiety which you have been keeping. Pisces, मीन राशि, आपके दिमाग में बहुत कुतूहलता थी काफ़ी अरसे से, but you have to put it to rest, because जहाँ भगवान है वहाँ सब कुछ शांत है. So आप just believe करिए ऊपर वाले पे, and you will see the result coming your way. It's all your mental anxiety that will not help you. You have to believe in the universe to help you. Just pray, chant, and do Hanuman Chalisa, शिव जी का मंत्र पढ़िए, Om Namah Shivaya, and you will see the results coming your way, मीन राशि. And let's see what is the Angels card for you, मीन राशि. बी असर्टिव, लाइक मीन राशि आप बहुत इमोशनल लोग होते हैं और दिल से सोचते हैं, आप में असर्टिवनेस नहीं होती है एंड द एंजल्स वांट यू टू बी असर्टिव, सो बी असर्टिव, दैट इज़ द मंत्र ऑफ यू। बिकॉज आप सोचेंगे अगर किसी ने बोला ये ऐसे करना है और आपका मन नहीं, फिर हाँ हम कर देंगे, नहीं, लर्न टू से नो, लर्न टू से नो Pisces, बिकॉज वो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। नाउ इट्स अ टाइम फॉर यूनिवर्स हैज़ योर बैक कार्ड्स। लेट्स सी यूनिवर्स हम सब के लिए क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं कि हमें इस हफ्ते उनका क्या मैसेज है। लेट्स सी। ओके I think it's the same thing. When I accept the love of the universe as my primary teacher, I will always be guided back to the light. Wonderful card. सिर्फ ऊपर वाले पे विश्वास रखिए, उनकी प्रार्थना करिए, उनसे इल्तिजा कीजिए, उनसे प्रेयर्स कीजिए, एंड यू शुड फाइंड द लाइट टू योर क्वेश्चंस, टू योर डोर ऑफ वैल्यू, टू योर डोर ऑफ health. Everything is from the universe. So that's what the universe has your back card have to stay for all of us here. And बस अब जाते जाते मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। आपके साथ मैं पिछले जुलाई से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बहुत सारी नई नई इंक्वायरीज आती हैं एंड आई एम मीटिंग सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल थ्रू द रीडिंग्स एंड ऑल। अगर आपको अपनी पर्सनल रीडिंग करानी है, डू नॉट हेजिटेट, जस्ट रीच आउट टू मी hansai@hotmail.com एंड DM मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। ये आपको सबको पता ही है मेरा इंस्टाग्राम क्या है। सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू, लव एंड लाइट। मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते। नमस्कार।